I've been using the HUAWEI P40 Pro for almost a week now, and I did an unboxing videos, and you can watch it later after the videos where I will putting it in the end of the videos, or you want to watch it now, you can click the link that I put somewhere around here, or you can find the link in the description below. So here I would like to share with you my experience using the HUAWEI P40 Pro without Google mobile services. Can I live without GMS? Google mobile services are available on almost all Android devices out of China until mid of last year, where Google pulled out HUAWEI Android license and only limit them to use open source version. Therefore, all the new HUAWEI devices starting from HUAWEI Mate 30 series onwards, Google mobile services is no longer support. Instead, HUAWEI use HMS, HUAWEI Mobile Services. Let me list down what are the common apps that I use on my daily smartphone. WhatsApp, Gmail, Facebook, Facebook Messenger, Facebook Manager, Instagram, YouTube, Waze, Twitter, Spotify, Touch and Go, Starbucks, and some banking apps like Public Bank and Maybank. So where do I download all my apps? HUAWEI has its own app store, which is the HUAWEI App Gallery. There are plenty big apps that can be downloaded like Microsoft, TikTok, Snapchat, Telegram, games like Alpha's 9, and more. HUAWEI has been investing heavily on app developer to build more apps for HUAWEI App Gallery. I actually started with phone clone app that pre-installed on the HUAWEI P40 Pro. Then I installed the same app on my other Android phone, scan the QR code and transfer the current data, and as well as the apps that are compatible with the HUAWEI P40 Pro. You can also download apps that's not available on HUAWEI App Gallery from the app's official website like Facebook and WhatsApp. How about Gmail? I don't even need to download the apps, I can just sign in my Gmail account onto the pre-installed email apps and it works seamlessly. I watch all my YouTube videos from the browser that has similar user interface that I can log into my YouTube account. I just launch it with the shortcut I created. This also works on Twitter, Google Maps, and more. There's also an alternative way to download apps through third-party apps like APK and AppToy. Disclaimer, these are unverified third-party source download but mostly works as normal. Of course, there are some apps that doesn't work without GMS, but there's a lot of workaround apps option out there. Personally, after a week of using the HUAWEI P40 Pro without GMS, I didn't really feel left out as I can get all the apps that I need. This is actually a wake-up call for us that we have been too dependent with Google mobile services. Imagine one day that we are required to pay off using any of the Google services, and the HUAWEI P40 Pro is an alternative for us. To be honest, if this fiasco didn't happen, the HUAWEI P40 Pro is a one solid flagship smartphone to be recommended in 2020. So what do you think about the HUAWEI P40 Pro? Do leave a comment down below. Do give us a thumbs up if you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channels and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload new videos. Thank you for watching. My name is Joshua Wong. See you guys soon.